Don't you think it's crazy how states need to make up places like Yellowstone Park just to get people to visit them? Holy shit, bro. I just drove like 10 hours. I'm in Montana right now. You guys know I was moving soon. So here's me moving right now, currently in the process. So obviously I'm not going to have any gameplay today, different type of video, but hey Kester, you want to throw some gameplay in the background? Make people feel more at home. Obviously, like you could throw somebody about my skill level. So maybe some like professional players like Hiko or something like that can qualify for my gameplay video today. If you guys want to talk about the new map, I played it a little bit on the PvE. I haven't posted in a few days, so if you're wondering what like a little update on that, yeah, played Fracture, looks pretty cool. I'm excited. I think that Breach might be good on this map. I get to play some Breach again. His ultimate basically covers the entire site, which is pretty cool. Raze seems okay on it. Killjoy seems pretty good. Yeah, it's like a cool looking map. The only thing I'm worried about is that we're gonna get like another icebox, right? And I do want to avoid another icebox. You guys know how I feel about icebox, but like at the end of the day, whatever, bro. It's a fun game. I'm excited to play it again once I have my setup and everything going. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna be moving. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. All of my belongings are in my car. I miss my friends, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Shout out to Waffles for letting me keep the PC that he lent me. Dude, he's a real one. I don't know if I would be here today if I didn't have that PC. You know, maybe I just give up on streaming because of tech issues or something like that. Maybe my channel doesn't grow to the size it's at. I had a lot of really supportive friends, and it was kind of emotional leaving, but I'm excited for what's next. You know, we heading off to cool things. Yeah, that's basically the gist. After I record this, I got to do some work for skill caps probably. I got to check in on things, make sure our tier list is ready to go live tomorrow. And I saw a steakhouse down the street. It looked pretty good. I might go to the steakhouse, but yeah, it's an update on my life, guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. I don't really have much else to talk about. Normally I complain about like stupid shit in DMs, like somebody, oh no, I can't believe I died. Like, oh man, this is annoying. But today I don't have that. Today I don't have energy. I basically just drove the entire way, like pretty much no stops. I stopped at 2 gas stations on the way here. Met a nice couple. They were kind of cool. They were on a motorcycle. Dude, I saw a dude on a motorcycle and his dog like hopped on the fucking thing. No seatbelt or anything. He's just sitting on the back and he was wearing goggles, bro. He's wearing goggles. Oh my God, it was so cute. I need to get me a dog like that eventually, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for me today. Sorry, I kind of lost my voice. I don't really know where I went. I got really drunk the other night. It'd be like before I left, it was like a night or two. Me and my friends went out. Yeah, haven't recovered yet apparently. So we'll keep you posted on the recovery. Maybe do another one of these once I get to my hotel tomorrow. Another 10-hour drive, and then yeah, I'll let you know. Peace out. Where's the button? Where's the fucking button? I found it.